All right, students, at this point, you should definitely have one at least that you are confident in completing on your own. Hopefully, you feel confident in completing all of these on your own, and if you do, please try them yourself before you watch this video. So let's get started. We are going to be working on the problem that is 3,216 divided by 7. I'm going to take my dividend here and I'm going to put one digit in each of these boxes. My divisor is going to go over here on the outside, and then I'm going to follow my acronym here. So D for does. If I have 3 M&Ms, can I divide them between 7 friends? And no, I cannot. So 7 times 0 is 0. Subtract, and I still have 3. I'm going to move my 3 up here to join the 2. So now I have 32 M&Ms that I'm going to divide between 7 friends. So I'm going to skip count by 7. 7, 14, 21, 28. If I go to the next one, it's going to be 35, which will be too big. So 4 M&Ms to each friend. 7 times 4 is 28. I'm going to subtract that. I cannot do 2 times 8, so I have to regroup, but I can do 12 minus 8, which is 4. 4 is smaller than 7, so I give it a check. Move it up to join the 1. And now I'm ready to skip count by 7s again. So I have 41 M&Ms. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 is too big, so that means it's going to be 5. So I put my 5 here. 5 times 7 is 35. So I subtract. I cannot do 1 minus 5, so I regroup and it becomes 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. Is 6 smaller than 7? Yes, it is. Now I bring it up to join the other 6. Now I'm ready to skip count again. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63. No. Yes. No. Yes, 63. So 7 times 9 is 63. I'm going to subtract, and I've got 3 left over. That means that's going to become my remainder. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the area model here. I begin by putting my dividend all in the one box. My divisor goes on the outside. Can I do 7 times 1,000? No, so this is going to get a 0. And it remains 3,216. So I move it up. Now, what hundredths can I multiply by? Well, 7 times 300 is 2,100. 7 times 400 is 2,800. 7 times 500 is 3,500, but that's too big, so it must be 400. So that's 2,800. When I subtract, I get 6, 1, regroup, 416 left. I'm going to move that up here. Now I have to do by tens. Well, 10 times 70 is 70. Let's do 5. 50 times 7 is 350. 6 would be 420, so it can't be 6, so it must be 50. So we'll subtract 350. So we've got 6. Can't do that, but make it 11. So we've got 66 left. Bring it up here. And now we're going to do it by ones. And we know that 9 times 7 is 63. So when we subtract, we've got 3 left over, which becomes our remainder. But we've got to add these together. So 459, and then remainder 3. Okay, now let's move on to our partial quotients model. Again, our dividend goes inside the box. Our divisor goes on the outside. We're starting with thousands, and we cannot do anything for thousands, so we're just subtracting 0. Now we're going to hundreds, and we know from over here that it's 400, so we're going to subtract 2,800. Means we've got 6, 1, 416. Now we're going to go to tens. You know it's 50 tens. So we're going to subtract 350 because 50 times 7 is 350. We got 6 and 6. Now we're down to ones place. And we know that it's 9. 7 times 9 is 63. We've got 3 left. So we do 400 plus 50 plus 9. It's 459. Remainder 3. All right. Last one for this one. Okay. This is our traditional method of long division. I'm going to put 3,216 in here. We're going to divide by 7. We know that we cannot do 3, so we're going to start with 32. We can do that 4 times. So we're going to subtract 28, which is going to leave us with 4. 4 is smaller than 7, so I'm going to bring down my 1. I have 41. Well, I know 7 times 6 is 42, so it must be 5. 7 times 5 is 35. So we've got 6 left over. Bring down my other 6. And 7 times 9 is 63. So we've got 459, remainder 3. And that's it for this video. I will see you back for the next one.